Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. Features include automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth streaming audio, power tilt down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.